What's good with y'all? It's your boy. I'm tripping, not the loot. Back with another video. I'm just be speaking my mind, be speaking my mental. What they trying to do? They trying to get Group A, Group B, in a hidden group, the sneaky group, the tactical group, and they use the tactical group and infiltrate both groups and make it known in one group, make it unknown in one group, in the other group, and they make it unknown in the other group. And what they have each other doing, they have each other colliding, they have each other fighting, they got each other in division. So if they in division, Group A and Group B, and they not realizing that the reason why they fighting, the reason why they arguing, because of another hidden sneaky group that caused the infighting within they groups. So they blinded both groups, and they using the middleman, the hidden man, the bounty man, to literally separate and cause so much confusion. And you know what we call this? You call this divide and conquer. Don't let them divide and conquer. It's that simple. Well, it's not that simple, but you get the memo. With that being said, I'm tripping nothing. Lose.